Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, our today's topic in geography is the states where groundwater utilization is very high. Dear students, you know there are some states in India which have scarcity of water. They are scattered areas, they are the deserted areas, they are the hot areas, they have sandy land. That is why there is scarcity of water. So they utilize the underground water for their agricultural purpose and to irrigate their soil. These three states are Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Punjab has a fertile land. They have the vast area under agriculture, and to fulfill the need of water in this huge land, in this vast land, there is scarcity of this water, canals, rivers, and this rainwater. So the underground water is utilized through tube wells, pipes, and wells. Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan exploit more than 85% of the available groundwater for irrigation because these states receive less than 40 centimeter annual rainfall. The hilly areas like J&K, Himachal and other places receive a good rainfall. That is why there is not so usage of this underground water. Hilly areas generally receive rain on daily basis or twice in a week. But Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, they are hot areas. They have the sandy land, they have the vast land resources. So they wholly and solely depend on the groundwater. That is why 85% is utilized by these three states. Similarly, they get less rainfall, that is 40 centimeter annual, and are deficient in surface water. They have no water channels like rivers, canals, etc. The demand for groundwater for irrigation started increasing in Punjab and Haryana with the event of Green Revolution in 1960s. When the agenda of Green Revolution was taken into hands during 1960s, the water, this need of water increased as more and more land was taken for agricultural purposes. The change in cropping pattern has further increased demand for groundwater to irrigate the fields. Since I discussed that Punjab is an agricultural state, Punjab is the food factory for the whole nation. The vegetables, the agricultural products are supplied throughout India, not only throughout India but are exported to other countries as well. So to meet these resources, to meet these these needs, water is too much needed. So underground water, when we have no rainwater, when we have no canals and rivers and other sources of water channels, so these states depend wholly on the underground water. So that is why they dig the holes, they dig the wells, they dig the tube wells and get their underground water and irrigate their their fields, their agricultural fields, their orchards, for the better production of their crops. So dear students, this was our today's topic. Let's go ahead inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.